Shadows can do amazing things. Moves?
How does a shadow move?
Like this.
Ah! That's it. I'm going to bed.
All right, campers, who's ready for a spooky ghost story?
Me! I love ghost stories. Are you sure it won't be too scary for Max? I'm not scared of anything.
That's the spirit, buddy. Okay, gather round the campfire.
I've got the marshmallows and hot chocolate ready.
Perfect. Now settle in, and I'll tell you the legend of the Creaking Tree.
The Creaking Tree? What's that?
They say that on a dark, windy night, the old oak tree in the backyard.
That's not scary, Dad. Trees creak all the time.
But this tree doesn't creak in the wind. It creaks when someone tells a lie.
Wait, what? A tree that knows when you're lying?
That's the legend, and if you lie near it, the branches reach down and tickle you until you confess.
Tickle? That's silly.
Is it? I've heard that the tree once tickled a kid so hard he couldn't stop laughing for a whole day.
Honey, I think you're making this up.
Am I? Let's test it. Have you ever taken an extra cookie when I said no?
No? You're turning red. You're turning red. I'm not. It's the fire.
Listen. Shh. Do you hear that?
Hear what?
Is it? Or is it the creaking tree, checking if you're telling a tall tale?
Okay. I took 3 extra. I'm sorry. I knew it.
See? The creaking tree knows all.
That's so creepy, but also kind of cool. Dad, what else do you know about the Creaking Tree?
Well, there's a darker legend. They say that if you stay too close to the tree on a full moon, it pulls you up into its branches and you're never seen again.
All right, that's enough. You're scaring the kids.
I'm not scared, right? Max, your hands are shaking. They're just cold.
And they say that when the moon is full, the tree's shadow moves. Shadows can do amazing things. Moves?
How does a shadow move?
Like this.
Ah! That's it. I'm going to bed.
Max, it's just Dad's hand.
I don't care. I'm sleeping inside. Wait, I'm coming too.
Honey, look what you did. You scared them both.
And the creaking tree.
Stop it. You're going to scare me too.
I was just trying to have fun.
But maybe next time, tell a story about a friendly ghost.
Or a tree that gives out cookies?
That would be much better.
Dad, can you check under my bed for monsters?
There are no monsters, buddy.
But what if the Creaking Tree sent one?
Okay, I'll check.
Dad, can you check my closet too?
Sure, Lily. I'm coming.
See? You're the monster now. The father who has to check every closet in the house.
This is the best camping trip ever.
Definitely one to remember.
I love you guys.
We love you too, Dad. But please don't tell any more ghost stories.
Yeah, stick to the cookie tree.
Deal. From now on, only happy stories.
And maybe we save the scary ones for when they're teenagers.
Good plan. But I'll still be checking under the beds tonight.
That's just being a good dad.
All right, everyone. Let's call it a
But
night.
we'll have another camp out soon, with a happy story
Promise?
next time.
And no creaking trees.
Just cookie trees.